Well, here we are. I've got the bolts back on. As you can see, I've polished it pretty far. This is only 220. I'm kind of liking it. Some of the lines I messed up, but I'm going to fix them by grinding them away. There's a bad spot right there. That's alright. Some of it's still up. I got to bolt them down a little better. And actually, this area needs to be hit. It's got to curl down. It did that when I was making each point. Or all the other ones are straight, which this needs to be. So I got to somehow. I'm going to take the hammer and hit right there and there and fix that. The bolt pattern. Actually, the bolt pattern gives me an idea for where, see this blank area, this will work out. I have to grind this one down and pat it. Everything else will get ground down. So, as you can see, then that'll get filled. That'll get filled. There's a void down in there, and I'm going to backfill that. So the structure will stay solid on the other side with the star. Now, this will be the direction. Right there is going to be the handle, and I think it turns out this one and this one will be the forearm strap, and then over there the hand strap. It's definitely coming along. Now, mind you, I need to do a treatment to the edge still, which is an extra ring that's going to give the ability to throw the shield, just like all my other ones. Otherwise, this is just really a knife edge and completely freaking dangerous as heck. And also, these are going to get cut. They're going to get shaped. I'm going to do like a slight half moon here and cut that part out, and then this will get bent downwards and affixed so that I'll have that one particular look on each end point, because then the ring has to go right about here. That's how far down I got that measured to, all the way around, something like about a ½ inch. Alright, nice update. Sneak peek, we'll come back to this. This is the build number 7 update. Stay with us.